In this video, you will power on the machine and load a design. To power on the machine, you'll need to press the blue on button, wait for the control panel to load, and plug in your USB. To load a design, you'll need to hit the floppy disk button and go to the first option, which is read from USB. Hit enter. Then you will scroll down to select the design that will be used. Then hit enter, and it'll ask you what memory location it'll save to. So just hit enter. Then it'll ask apply satin compensation now. Go ahead and select no. It'll also ask you if you want to continue to load designs. I'll go ahead and select no for this. Then you can just hit the back button to exit out. And that's how you power on the machine and load a design from a USB stick.